Thank you very much for coming out on such a beautiful day. You know, spring is here, weather is beautiful. Today we're here to talk about bathroom renovation. What it takes to do the bathroom renovation, where to start, and how to do it properly. I have a couple questions I will be covering today. First one will be, how do I plan my bathroom remodeling project? Okay. As I go, if you have any question, please stop me, take a mic, and feel free to ask any questions you have. So, bathroom, one of the main room in a house. It's bathroom and a kitchen. So bathroom, where do I start? How do I plan my renovation? What do I need? So the best thing to do is probably to go to Instagram, Pinterest, House, and put together inspiration folder for the contractor of your choice, for yourself to understand what style you like, what exactly you're trying to do. Then the next step would be to understand your budget, of course. Bathrooms can be very expensive or can be budget friendly, so you need to understand how much you would like to spend. Then the features of your bathroom. What would you like to have there? Bathtub, walk-in shower, single bowl vanity, double vanity, extra storage, and so on and so forth. It's unlimited design options there. And the next step would be to probably hire your contractor, choose your contractor. How do I choose my contractor? Go online, read the reviews, choose 2 or 3 contractors of your choice who you wanted to work with, right? To see what they did before. And then if you choose a contractor that can do full service, like design, drawings, 3D renderings before they start the project, that's great. If not, then most likely you would have to hire a designer to design your bathroom. That's very important, especially now through the COVID. We had lots of challenges with supply chain. And if you don't have your design finished and everything put together, it's hard to choose your finishing materials and understand what you need in terms of plumbing fixtures, tile, and cabinetry. And sometimes people start the project without doing the design preparation work, and then they're stuck in the middle because they didn't order something, or they didn't select something, or it went out of stock. So those are the steps I would recommend to take to start planning your remodeling. Then my next question today that I will be covering is what preparation I need for the bathroom renovations. First thing comes to homeowner's mind, of course, do I need a building permit? And the answer is no, you don't need a building permit. You need a building permit only if you change the structure of the house, meaning moving the walls, or if you're adding plumbing point to your bathroom. So the only case when you actually need a building permit is if you're changing your powder room to 4-piece bathroom, and then you're changing the layout and you're adding plumbing points, then you need a building permit, of course. How long will the building permit take? So the building permit, if you need it, if you're doing major changes to your bathrooms, should be a fast track, because we're not doing any alteration to the outside of the house. 10 business days to review after you submit the drawing. A good thing to consider if you only have one bathroom in your home and you want to do the renovation, because the renovation will take between 2 and 4 weeks, and if it's a big bathroom, it might take 6 weeks if there's custom cabinetry involved and stuff like that. Consider getting accommodation ready for yourself if there is only one bathroom in a house. Or if you have multiple bathrooms, move everything away from that one and arrange yourself to move other bathrooms, because you will have no access there for quite a bit of time. Also, a good thing to consider is before starting the renovation project, prepare a space for finishing materials to be delivered. But bathroom might seem like a small project, but when you start delivering tub, tile, and all the bells and whistles you need for the bathroom, you need space. So it's great if you have a garage, but if it's a condo, then maybe a storage or like a corner in a condo where you can have all the materials delivered. Especially in condos, deliveries are very hard. Elevators booking needs to be done, an arrangement with management corporations, so it's better to bring everything to the site right away. Okay, so the third question I will be covering today is, what are the features for a good bathroom? What are the latest trends? Some features you might consider is heated floors. Very nice to have a heated floor in your bathroom, come in the morning and it's warm. Rain showers, steam showers. If it's a big bathroom, like 4 or 5 piece, you might consider to get a bidet. Soaking tub or even a massage tub or massage showers. So choices are so vast these days. You have to put it all on paper to understand what features you need to make a proper plan of that bathroom. And the last questions today, I will be covering it. What determines the cost of bathroom renovation? So the cost of bathroom renovation is a very complex question. As I started my presentation today, I said that the cost could be on budget or could be very big. It depends on finishing material we choose, on features we would like to have. So the tile can start anywhere from 99 cents a square foot, go all the way to $100 a square foot. Somewhere, marble from Italy, depends on your personal preference, of course. Plumbing fixtures is a big point of spending when you do a bathroom renovation. Plumbing fixtures also can be very budget friendly, but very good, or super expensive. And of course, it depends on how big is your bathroom. Is it 2-piece powder room, or it's 4 or 5-piece full-scale master bathroom? Do you have any questions to me? Please.
Are we still seeing delays with materials and work from the COVID effect and all of that?
Yes, we do, especially materials that come overseas. The delays are tricky. It might be in stock today, it might not be in stock tomorrow because of the container that got stuck somewhere. So it's best to purchase everything in advance before starting your reno.
From a contract perspective, are you guys like lined up with jobs and it's like 6-month lead time, or?
In our company, we usually can start your project 10 business days after you finalize your design, as we have interior designer in-house that will be working with you. She will select all the finishing materials, and then our sourcing manager will pre-order everything, get it all confirmed that it's available to be delivered, and only then we start. Well, thank you very much for your time. Thank you again for coming, and if you have any question, I will be here.